Living in Fleming Island, Florida, means enjoying the beauty of coastal living and a vibrant community. But with these benefits also comes the challenge of preparing for storm season. High winds, heavy rain, and flying debris are realities homeowners must plan for each year. One of the most effective ways to protect your property is by upgrading to impact-resistant windows and doors. These upgrades not only defend against storms but also improve comfort, security, and long-term home value. Built to withstand Florida's harshest weather, Fleming Island's location makes it especially vulnerable to tropical storms and hurricanes. Traditional windows and doors often can't stand up to the pressure and impact. Impact glass technology. Laminated glass is designed to resist shattering, even when struck by flying debris. Instead of breaking into dangerous shards, the glass stays intact. Reinforced frames. Strong vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass frames prevent warping and hold up against high winds. Watertight seals. These prevent leaks that can lead to costly water damage and mold growth. By fortifying your home with impact-resistant windows and doors, you create a reliable shield against Florida's unpredictable storms. Dual protection. Storm safety and home security. While storm protection is the primary reason Fleming Island homeowners choose impact-resistant upgrades, the benefits extend far beyond weather safety. Break-in deterrence. Laminated glass and strong frames make it extremely difficult for intruders to force entry. Peace of mind. Whether you're at home or traveling, you'll know your home is more secure year-round. 24/7 protection. Unlike storm shutters that require installation before a storm, impact-resistant products protect your home continuously without extra effort. This dual-purpose benefit makes them one of the smartest investments for local homeowners. Comfort and energy efficiency. Florida summers are hot and humid, and running the air conditioner constantly can be costly. Impact-resistant windows and doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Insulated glass panes. Reduce heat transfer and keep cool air inside. Low E coatings. Reflect UV rays, keeping interiors cooler without blocking natural light. Lower energy bills. Reduced cooling demands mean monthly savings that add up over time. These features ensure your home stays comfortable while also lowering utility costs. Noise reduction. For quieter living, Fleming Island families also appreciate the way impact-resistant windows and doors improve indoor tranquility. Sound insulation. Multi-layer glass and tight seals reduce outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or storms. Peaceful environment. Bedrooms and living spaces become more restful and enjoyable. Added privacy. Blocking outside noise also helps create a more private indoor atmosphere. This quieter environment enhances your overall comfort and quality of life. Boosting curb appeal and home value. Modern impact-resistant windows and doors don't just perform well, they look great, too. Stylish designs. From French doors to casement and picture windows, you can choose options that match your home's architecture. Curb appeal. Coordinated upgrades instantly improve the appearance of your property. Resale value. Buyers in Florida often look for homes with storm-ready features, which can increase your property's market appeal. These upgrades are both practical and visually appealing, adding beauty as well as protection. Professional installation makes the difference. To fully enjoy the benefits of impact-resistant windows and doors, professional installation is essential. Precise fit. Ensures proper sealing and alignment for maximum performance. Code compliance. Experts make sure your upgrades meet Florida's building requirements. Lasting durability. Proper installation prevents issues that could compromise safety during storms. Choosing an experienced installer in Fleming Island guarantees long-term value and reliability. Final thoughts for Fleming Island homeowners. Storm season preparation is part of life. Investing in impact-resistant windows and doors provides unmatched protection against hurricanes and tropical storms, while also offering year-round benefits like energy savings, quieter interiors, and enhanced security. By combining durability with style, these upgrades not only safeguard your home but also improve your comfort and property value. When the next storm season arrives, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is protected by one of the most effective defenses available.